This is the second episode of Teachers Without Borders Bangladesh Inspiring Student Series, and the title of this episode is Can Learning Languages Be More Interesting? How do you like your language classes?
Boring, boring, boring.
See, about language classes, what I face mostly is that students don't find it engaging, they don't find it interesting, they don't find it exciting. This is the common issue with all language classes. It's not a lacking of the teacher. The teacher is not at fault. The content itself, I don't want to say dull, but I am for lack of better word. Because of that, I have used certain techniques. Now, the first technique that I want to discuss is
Music.
right. Music is a universal bond. It is listened by everyone, and you will never find a student not liking music. The lyrical part of this music, any language teacher, whether it's a Bangla song or an English song, you can always use the lyrics to actually show different parts of speech. For example,
Operation, opposition, off, not optional. Out of sight, out of mind, wide beam and obstacles. Perfected poem, powerful punchlines, pummeling, petty powder puffs in my prime. Quite quotes, keep quiet, it's quantum. Pluralism, got a quote of what we gotta. Really raw raps, rising up rapidly, riding the Russian radioactivity.
Raha, if I showed you the lyrics of that particular song and told you to identify the verb, noun, pronoun, adverb, would it be more interesting for you to learn?
Very interesting because I like songs.
Now, you might think that that's fine. This is possible in an online class. What to do in offline class? Offline class, you still have access to your phone. Or you can tell them to listen to a particular song, or you can print out the lyrics and then tell them that this is an actual lyrics. There are multiple ways in which you can make this happen. The only thing is you have to understand how to do these things.
5 লাখ কোটি থেকে 500 কোটি দাও 300 কোটি দিয়ে স্কুল গড়ে দাও 200 কোটি দিয়ে বানাও শপিং মল এই রাজু চল স্কুলে চল টিউশন ফিস থেকে টিচারের মাইনে সরকারের কাছ থেকে কোনোটাই চাইনে আবাসিক স্কুলে থাকবে কত শিশু মার্কেটের আয় দিয়ে চলবে সবকিছু ঘাটতির বাজেটে টাকা যদি নাই পান ছোট করে বলি তবে এইটারও সমাধান বিলাসী পণ্যের ভ্যাট দিন বাড়িয়ে হয়ে যাবে 500 কোটি টাকা ছাড়িয়ে মাথা পিছু আয় যদি এত শত হয় আমার ভাগের টাকা করো লোকে সঞ্চয় চাচ্ছি তো অধিকার চাচ্ছি না অনুদান বাকিরা না দের তরে এইটাই সমাধান
The other technique which I'm going to talk about is movies. Movies is again, it's a exciting point for a student. Like for example, Raha, have you seen Incredibles?
Yes.
Did you like the movie?
Yes.
Now, what if I taught you English using the dialogues of Incredible? Would you like it?
Yes. Definitely.
Done properly, parenting is a heroic act. Done properly. I am not a baby person, Robert. I have no baby facilities. I am an artist. I do not involve myself in the prosaic day-to-day.
For those of you who doesn't know what Incredibles is, just Google it. Animated superhero movie. So,
Which is fun.
which is fun. So if I teach you, say for example, if I print out certain dialogues from that movie and I tell you to identify parts of speech, would it be more interesting?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
English teacher or a Bangla teacher, you can find different movie scenes, different movie scenes that are exciting to watch.
Kill him.
We got him. He's out of the game.
So you put in that element of excitement, you put in that element of interesting by integrating music or movies. You can pick out any movie. It can be a scene from Titanic, it can be a scene from Red Dragon, it can be a scene from Fight Club, it can be a scene
Godzilla?
from Godzilla, any movie. Movies and music, there is an unlimited amount of possibilities you can do, from comprehension to essay writing to summarization to word meaning to make sentences to explaining parts of speech to identify parts of speech. The list is on and on. It just depends on you of how you want to use the movies or the music, right?
Yes.
The last technique that I want to discuss is sports. Now you might be wondering, like, as a Bangla or English teacher, what does sports have to do with my thing?
Yes.
Sports offers students a unique way to get engaged to the subject even more, because first of all, no one thinks of sports. With sports, what you can do is you can show them a clip, say, of a goal happening, and you can show in an online class, you can show like a minute of it and then tell the student to write up on it. So it can be in Bangla or English. The whole point is to engage the student. Engaging the student in a language class is often the key for them to learn it. And also the commentary inside the sports, that's also very interesting. The commentary, how the commentators, they speak right at that moment, what's happening. They don't have a script in front of them. They actually say what they're seeing. So you can also have like a presentation, like you can show them on mute, and then the students can actually commentate like real commentators. It improves their speaking ability as well as their writing ability once they start writing about it. So you can use these techniques of sports, music, and movies. Thank you. And make your classes, language classes, more interesting and exciting so that your students are more engaged. I shall take my leave now. And this is the end of episode 2. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see you in the 3rd episode with something even more exciting. Bye-bye.